all kinds of dangers on our back roads. Well, on our city roads as well. What bothers me the most are the rocks and chunks of mud that I seem to gravitate towards. And you know what? Construction trucks and farm trucks, they drop all kinds of debris on our expensive cars. Don't seem to care too much. They are a real threat to our desire to protecting our hard-earned investments. That's why I install grill guards on my Corvettes. And I'm very frugal, so I like to make my own. So let's take a closer look into this topic and my screen guards. Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. If you're on Rumble, please follow. And remember, I have my Facebook page. Join me there anytime you wish. Well, it's really not funny when you have an expensive car and you're getting bug splats and all kinds of debris all over the front of it. Now, if you live in a big city like Dallas, Fort Worth, which I grew up in Dallas, North Dallas, never really got all that many bug splats and debris on my cars. But as I moved further and further out into the country, the amount of construction and just critter debris has increased dramatically. So I understand that a lot of y'all that live in the bigger cities, it's not much of a discussion topic for you unless you have a lot of construction. So are the grill guards really needed or not? Well, like I said, roadwork debris truly can damage your vehicle. Just between that, all the rocks, the giant bugs, for me, it's not just dragonflies, just grasshoppers are gnarly. And my friend Jeff with his beautiful C8, well, you know what? He is on his third windshield from big rock trucks that drive up and down in our area doing construction work. My wife and I love driving through really beautiful scenic roads, back roads, all that kind of good jazz. We especially love going out driving with other Corvettes and fun cars. Very, very often on a sleepy day, we will get out on back scenic roads and, look for critters, pigs, deer, armadillo, raccoons, maybe even your occasional bald eagle. We really love hitting the back roads. But one of the main problems with some of these back roads is our local governments love to put down this chip seal. So this is like a mixture of tar and rocks. Not that I know precisely what I'm talking about, but this is chip seal. And they tend to put it down on roads where actually larger equipment drives over this stuff quite often, tearing it up and then throwing all these rocks, not just all over the road and along the side of the road, but on your car. So if you're following another car, especially a dually or something, you got to really pay attention. This stuff will shoot up into your windshield and through those grills. While they're working on new roads, the sweepers are deadly. And then you get these giant trucks that just don't care who you are. They would just as soon run you off the road. But they'll drop all kinds of debris, everywhere, where I am at least. And then you get the farm trucks with the hay, the cow, dirt and mud and muck that they drag out onto the roads from the pastures. I think grill guards are a necessary item to protect your investment, along with people who own Porsches. So the Porsche group is very much into these, especially if they are tracking their cars. And then Lamborghinis, replacing condensers and radiators on Porsches and Lambos have got to be expensive. Now, some people in these groups argue that it's a design flaw to have the front grills wide open the way that they do. But there's not jack that we can do about it. We just have to go the extra step to protect ourselves. Here's a great example of a beautiful ZR1 with your normal racetrack grill guard protection. So go out, you can look around, you can find grill guards everywhere in a great variety. Some quick pics of Z06s and Stingrays with no grill guards. And then coming up on this yellow one, the front grill guard to me seems way too thick. But anyway, you can get them where they are simply zip tied on or more extensive like these that are scrape armor, which is the Ron Fellows Performance Driving School uses scrape armor. And they used to be about $400. Not sure what they cost now, hadn't really looked. But yeah, they are much more extensive to install. I had ordered a new Stingray because I didn't think I was going to get a Z06. And I had ordered the scrape armor grill guards to be already installed when I bought the car, which again didn't happen. So there's that. And then on my prior 2020 C8, I quickly made these grill guards, just zip tied them on, put the car in shows, and nobody ever saw these. They're small, and you just really can't see them that well. But they certainly did their job to protect the whole bottom portion of what's back behind there, because that's the area that is targeted the most by debris. Getting to my Z06, now that I have it, I really want to protect it. You can see I've got something up front. I made, again, my own grill guards. And they were really easy, made a pattern, cut out some mesh that I'd found, and then because the color of the car is orange, got some orange paint, made a stencil representing Road Odyssey, and painted RO on both of the grill guards. Then got a trim to go around it to protect their installation and not hurt the car itself. And this is pretty much the finished product. Looking around my Z06, I think they look just fine. Other people have liked the way that they look. And these are more than enough to protect the main portion of what's back behind there. And it will not damage the fascia of the grill. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. I do hope that you protect your investment as well. And with that, please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.